If you have small living spaces but want a cozy, pulled-together living room, you may need to rethink the traditional sofa. Sofas, while comfortable, are bulky and require a lot of space. Many interior designers and architects prefer to design spaces without the layout restrictions of a large sofa. Here are some sofa alternatives. Alternative number 1. Love seat or settee. A love seat or settee are obvious sofa alternatives. Both options are like a couch in style and functionality, only smaller. If you are attached to the sofa idea, a love seat or settee could be your best option. They are comfortable, plush, and available in a range of designs, styles, and patterns. Alternative number 2. Chairs. Arrange chairs to accommodate diverse activities. Getting the layout balanced may take a few attempts, but 4 chairs and a comfy ottoman can be inviting and promote guest interaction. Chairs can also be layered in with other small furniture like stools or benches. Alternative number 3. Cushions and more cushions. If cozy is your goal, pillows are a great alternative. Sit on oversized cushions and lean against smaller cushions. Don't forget to create conversation spaces when arranging cushions. You can create one or several depending on your space and entertaining needs. When properly arranged, cushions can seat more people than a couch. Alternative number 4. Daybed, futon, or chaise lounge. Similar in comfort level to a couch, a daybed, futon, or chaise lounge may take up less floor space. A chaise lounge can be angled to help define the room. Plus, all 3 can double as a bed if someone needs to sleep over. Just use pillows strategically to give it a neutral look. Alternative number 5. Built-in architecture. Many older buildings have small spaces. However, they often have unique architectural components that can be seating alternatives. For example, a bay window. Just add a throw blanket and a few cushions to create a new seating area. It also makes a great reading nook. Alternative number 6. Beanbag chairs. Beanbag chairs are like floor cushions, but with more height and substance. Beanbags are not just for children. There are upscale versions of beanbags on the market. Or you can make your own. Beanbag chairs are even more comfortable than a traditional couch. Alternative number 7. A bench or stool. Benches and stools offer additional seating and look great paired with a chair, floor cushions, or chaise lounge. Benches with hardtops can double as a table, while others open for hidden storage. Interior design rules for small spaces. Not having much space for a couch could encourage your inner designer to think outside the box. Mix and match 2 to 3 of these couch alternatives for a relaxed yet stylish room. For example, 2 chairs, a beanbag chair, and a chaise lounge. Or try a daybed, a chair, and a couple of floor cushions. Try mixing new and vintage pieces of different styles. If you focus on functionality, traffic flow, and balance, you can have a designer-inspired room even without a sofa.